Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be doing an updated what's in my bag. I haven't done one of these videos in years and I thought today would be the perfect day to show you what I carry in my bag on an everyday basis. The purse that I carry around, if you watched my designer dupes haul collection video, you would know that it is my knockoff never full bag. The one that I have is the monogrammed one, right? That's what this is, right? Yes, in the brown color, the Ebene with the red, I keep looking at the monitor, I'm so sorry, with the red interior. Now usually this is how I have it. Of course you can, you know, tuck the sides in if you want to bring it like that, but I like to have mine like this, and I just tote it around, either carrying it down or over my shoulder or whatever the case is. That is how I carry it. But this is my everyday bag for like the longest time now. Yeah, for like a little bit over a year, this has been my everyday bag. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you everything that I carry. When you first go in, this is what, let me see if you can see, there you go. This is what the inside of my bag looks like. My wallet, a pouch, my keys, and that's it. I like to keep my bag nice and neat and organized. So this might be a boring video. I'm very sorry from now, but we're gonna do it anyways. When you first open the bag, in the side pocket zipper part of it, there's nothing in there. I don't put anything on the sides because this is a knockoff bag. I want to create as less problems for it than I need, and that is why I've had it for so long and in such good condition. I notice when I put stuff in that side pocket right there, it weighs it down, and I don't want the bag to start folding and then creasing and then peeling and stripping, because that's not cute. So nothing is in that first corner. I literally keep everything inside the main compartment of the bag. The bag, again, it comes with this it comes with this little pouch attached to it, a pouchette, if you will, that you can detach from the bag and just carry around, which I do sometimes. Just take this off if I'm like, let's say I take this out, I have this bag for the day, and then in the evening I still have the bag because I have something else to do that evening, but I don't want to carry around this big bag. I'll just take this off and just put like either, you know, my ID, my keys, my credit card, cash, and then just take this if I don't want to carry my big wallet that's in there, which you did see again in the designer dupe collection. Okay, but inside of this little pouch right now, as is, what I do have in there is a business card. I usually have, like, you know, all my business cards in here, like a nice good amount, so that I can hand them out or leave them in certain stores or whatever the case is. But that's what's in that, just the business cards. I have my cell phone, of course. I have my keys. And then I like to keep my keys on this big ball, and then this little thing, this little tassel thing. It used to be two when I was one because it broke. It's from Just Fab. You know, when you order a certain amount of stuff, you get, you know, a little free whatever. So this was my free whatever. And then I have my CVS thingy on there. And then this, because at the time he was 5, my 5-year-old at the time, 4 going 5. Because now he's 5 going 6. Yeah. He graduated pre-K, so that was a little tassel thingy in honor of him. I have my wallet, which again was in my designer dupe collection, and in that video I showed the name of it that it replicates, but this is it here, and it does I keep the chain strap, like I said, on there, and it has a zipper compartment in the back, and then inside of it is just, like, you know, some cash, cards, IDs. And then you just drop that. I just drop that in there, and that's the zipper compartment has coins in it. Zip that up, close that up, and then that's my wallet. And if, like I said, if I don't want to carry the brown pouchette thingy that's inside the bag that comes with the bag, I'll just take this and just put the strap over my shoulder. The last thing that is in my bag is my pouch here. Now this pouch I got Christmas 2017. It came as a part of the gift that I got from my husband, and then inside of this it just has all my little things. Let me see if you can, all you seeing right now is hairspray. Wait, all my little, oh gosh, all right, I'll say them out. So first thing, hairspray. I got this from Beauty Supply Store. They have their little, you know, when you go to certain stores in the checkout line, they have those little mini items. So I have a mini hairspray, as mini as this hairspray goes. Okay, I have deodorant, Secret Shower, I think, yeah, Powder Fresh, like that's like, I think the stripper deodorant. I have a small bottle of this spray, which I did show you guys in the hair review I did. I think the last hair review that I did show you guys this spray, or mention this spray, the bigger size to it I do have, and I also have this travel size. So whenever this runs out, I just refill it with the big one, and I have both of them. I keep this for when I have my cheaper curly hair extensions. Well, this is straight, but this is another cheapy extension. So if at any point at all I feel like it's tangling and I need to detangle it, or if I'm around a certain smell and the hair is, you know, taking that smell, I just spray this on there and I'm good to go. I have hair tie, tampon, of course. You guys know that I like the menstrual cups. If you don't know, now you do. But I carry around tampons just in case I run into someone who needs a tampon. There it is. I did have one instance this year where I didn't have a tampon, and then I went to the bathroom to get one. Like, I actually made change to get a tampon and the machine was broken. It just ate my croissant and it was so annoying. So yeah, tampon. A little tube of Aveeno baby eczema lotion, nail glue, because I do wear press-on nails and they do come off sometimes, especially, well, I'm a mom, so I do dishes, I give my kids a bath, I wash my hair, I do all that stuff, so the nails, they come off pretty easily because of all of that, you know, whatever. So I do keep a bottle of nail glue in my purse just in case one of them decides to come off and try to embarrass me. I have a bottle of hair glue. Now I keep this in my purse just in case I need to, if I run out of the house and I want a new set of lashes. Oh, I can't speak. What I do is I use this to apply my lashes, or if one of my friends are like, oh Lori, can you do this for me please? I have hair glue. ID. I have an extra ID, so there's one ID in my pouch and then one ID in my wallet. My mirror, my little mirror, again, I got this from Beauty Supply, so it's really cute. It says Rose Dragon on the front. That's how it looks there. I have blotting sheets because I do have oily skin, and the only time I use like a primer is when I have an event to go to. But for like every day, I just do foundation and powder, and then that's it. And then throughout, like after maybe like 5 hours or so, I start to oil up like around my nose and forehead. I'll take a blotting sheet and just deal with that there. Emery board, just in case I'm not wearing press-on nails and I'm sitting there and look down at my fingers and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look atrocious, I can file my nails. Or what I do sometimes, if I get the stiletto nails and they're not as pointy, I'll take this and I'll just shape them up really quick. Hair thread, just in case. You never know. You never know. You never know. Eyelash tweezers for the reason for the bonding glue. This lip balm is 3 Olives vodka lip balm. It doesn't have vodka in it. It's an actual, just a regular lip balm. It reminds me of it actually is EOS. Look at that. So EOS and 3 Olives. This is their lip balm, and this is the first EOS lip balm I've ever used where I actually felt some moisture from it. I have a lip smacker, strawberry flavor. I don't know where this came from. Yeah. I have a vitamin E chapstick, which I think is Aiden's. Or is this mine? I don't know, because my son, he has really dry lips. I think this is his. I have some liquid lipsticks here from Ruby Kisses. This one is in Dune, which is a nudie nude, like a pinky nude. And then I'm Chic, which is a brownie nude. So those two right there, they look awesome on us chocolate girls. So I have 2 of those. I have hand sanitizer. This is from Bath & Body Works. I don't usually buy these, and if you ever see me with this, it's because somebody gave it to me. I have another one in my room right now, and whenever this is done, then I'll put that one in my purse. This is the Vanilla Bean Noel, so I've had this since Christmas. I prefer getting I don't have one in my bag right now because I have this, but usually what I do, I would get the big bottle of hand sanitizer and then just refill the mini bottles. Like we'll buy like a 6-pack of the mini ones, drop them in everybody's bag, like one in the car, one in my bag, one in the kids' bags, one, you know, at the office, whatever the case is, and just refill those mini bottles with the big bottles. But this I got, and it smells really, really good. It actually, because I do have the Vanilla Bean Noel body spray, it smells just like it. Another tampon. Got to be spiking glue. I need to get a tiny one of the black one as well, because I did a video on both of them and they both have their perks, they both have their downfalls. For this unit that I'm wearing right now, I did make this myself. It is a frontal with this cheapy hair, and I used the black one with some spritz to put it on. But when I was wearing my bohemian wig, I was using this one with some spritz, and yeah, so that's like a whole nother video there. Another hair tie, a lipstick, and this is Dark Plum Scene, again by Ruby Kisses. It is a matte lipstick. I should take this out because, matter of fact, I think this is an extra, so I'm gonna keep this in here. So that's 3 lipsticks, a lip pencil, which is almost dead. That's an old blotting paper. Can you see that? Like, that's trash, so I need to throw that away. I have a penny in here. These little things, right? I got these for my kits. When I do brides, I like to give them a sample of the lipstick that I use, if it's a stick lipstick. But if it's a liquid lipstick, I don't have to give them a sample because it just stays on and it doesn't, like, you know, shift or anything. But if it's a stick, I'll take a little bit of this, a little bit of the lipstick, scrape it into this, and give them a lipstick wand or two to put it on. So in this one, I have, or had, some lotion, and I think this was the Bath and Body Works, can't remember the name of it, but it's in the pink and red, all in pink, right? And then this is Aquaphor. So you can use this as a lip balm. You can use this as, if you get a scrape, you can put this on your scrapes. If you have, did I say lip balm already? You can use it on ashy elbows or knees or whatever the case is. So that's always a good thing to have. My needle, which is supposed to be in the thread. I was wondering why that thread didn't have a needle in it. Okay, so there we go. So needle and thread together. And I said a penny was in here. I just put the paper back in here. And then what is, there's something else. This is a random thing. It should not be in here. This is when I had braids. You know those little braid rings? That's what this, can't even see it. Wait, there it is. That's what, wait. The camera's trying to focus on me instead of, whatever, it just fell. That's what that was. One of the little rings that you put on your braids. And that is it. That is all that I have in my bag. That is trash that I need to throw away. This penny needs to go into my wallet, so I'm going to do that right now. And that's it. If we have anything in common with our purses, comment down below and let me know. If we are bag twins, let me know. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.